Tools: level bar, electric mixer, mason's trowel, plastic pail, stiff bristle brush. Surface preparation. Concrete surface must be fully cured, structurally sound and stable, clean and free of paint and other contaminants such as dirt, dust, loose material, oils, chemicals, etc. Dampen surface area well to kill suction and prevent premature curing before waterproofing application. Substrate condition and surface preparation. Mixing. In a plastic pail, pour Aquashield Plus liquid, and slowly add the powder. Application. Use a stiff bristle brush to apply Aquashield Plus. Wait 4 to 6 hours before applying the second coat. A minimum of 2 coats is recommended where each coat is applied in horizontal and vertical directions to form a weave-like layer, ensuring full surface coverage and no pinholes. If a third coat is required, observe the same time interval and procedure prior to application. Where water seepage or infiltration is heavy, 3 to 4 coats of Aquashield Plus is recommended. Waterproofing on masonry wall. Waterproofing on concrete floor. For areas exposed to direct sunlight, cover waterproofing application with a damp cloth or plastic sheet to prevent premature curing. Conduct flood test prior to further finishing. Further finishing. Any waterproofing membrane must be protected with further finishing against possible damage. Preparation must be done respectively prior to any of the following finishing choices. Modified mortar topping. Plaster. Thin plastering mortar. Tile installation. Epoxy coating, elastomeric paint or rubber paint.
ABC, sigurado ka dito!